5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My fury knows no bounds! Lightning, hasten my broom! Release the gale's fury! Brood to me! Lightning crash! Bring forth my brood! Let the tempest be unleashed! Thunder a shatter!
Watch this next set up front.
Personals on this one.
Hasten my brood!
We need to kill this lane bender a little bit faster. We don't want to play with these Starfield.
Lightning crash!
Watch front of this we got.
Chosen! Protect your keeper! Bring forth my brood! Let the tempest be unleashed! Thunder a shatter!
I need backup kick here, Chi.
Hasten my
I'll reflect.
brood!
Yeah, I don't know.
Release the gale's fury! Lightning crash!
Bash bar.
Bring forth my brood! Let the challenge! Your Broodkeeper calls!
I still have a bleed on me.
Thunder a shatter! Lightning, hasten my brood! Release the
Might not have kick here either.
Fine, I'll reflect first.
lightning crash!
Watch the front.
Forth my brood! Let the tempest be unleashed! Brood to me! Lightning, hasten my brood! Release the
Oh, that's a bad staff. He didn't move.
Head?
Maybe. Nope, we're good.
Diurna!
Good.
It was really far for Gaslight. Where's Raygon? Personals on this one.
One goose. Try and get it back.
I taunted him.
Bring forth
And dilate me.
brood! Let the tempest be unleashed! Thunder a shatter!
Last set.
Chosen! Lightning! Hasten my brood! Release the
Watch your health.
fury!
Watch the lasers as well.
Your desecration!
I don't have BL for my.
Lightning crash!
Watch fire.
I marked one skull.
Will blacken!
It's me first.
Ice Fracture!
Is it me? This is sealed door.
Watch health. Watch line.
Next one will be Celeste.
Don't be in this oak.
This is Celeste.
Fire.
Good. Let's finish the last one.
Repositioning boss. Actually, he's fine here. Take boss. Second pot when your CDs are up. Watch health.
Watch lasers. Watch lasers.
Lightning crash!
Fire.
Don't do anything weird with your fires. We have positions.
Whoever is like by a circle, can you go somewhere else?
Watch your health, G.
The stone's ferocity
Watch lasers.
shatter!
Look at fire.
Moving boss a little. Oh, can't fire. Move boss a little bit. I'll just let me drag it, and then you can take
Bash,
it.
is there anywhere else you can go?
Yes, I am moving.
Watch your health, guys. Watch laser.
Lightning crash!
We're gonna be in lines here. She needs to be closer to the center after this. After fire. Okay, don't get hit by this.
Ferocity flows through me! Thunderous shatter!
This fire has to be played cleanly. This
Michael,
is
can
when
you go to the
fight
middle
starts
room?
getting hard. This is when the fight starts getting hard. Please play this fire clean. Okay, watch your health, especially on this heal absorb. Staff, watch lasers. Heal absorb coming.
Hellstone if you're low. Just don't die. Rally falling.
Lightning crash!
Res Siren.
Fire.
Arrow bar.
Firing cleanly. This is the hardest part.
Don't bounce fire.
Just live, just live, just live. Watch tank.
Flows through me!
Watch lines.
For Aranog! Thunderous shatter! You will
Fire.
ice fracture!
Watch lines.
Lightning crash!
Take what you need here, Chi.
I'm ready to watch tanks.
I have wall. That's
Fire.
Blade second fire. Watch your health here.
Dodge lines.
Help out if you're low.
Thunderous shatter!
This is the last hard part of the fight coming up. It's fire into root. Fire into root. You have to
Take
live
us.
this. Anything you do to live this. Don't get rooted in fire.
I need to dispel our freedom.
People
Watch
res in
lines.
Watch
12.
your health. Watch your health.
Vash, Bark
You'll
me,
bib.
and then Hylian, dilate me.
Watch tanks.
Watch fire here. Dance away from them, Chi.
Get any DPS up. Just get clean up.
Moving boss away from moon. Careful. Dodge lines.
Through me! For Aranog! Thunderous shatter!
One last route. Just live this route.
Fracture!
I have nothing going.
You will
On the line.
It's so free.
Lightning crash!
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
How many stabs?
Let's go.
One.
Odex.
Or Codex.
Oh my god, we actually dropped it. Link it to
Codex?
Grammar right now.
Mystic.
Another Codex? Hell yeah. I need to sell that again.
Holy shit, this is loot. though.